heated or cooled. Like water is a liquid, but when the water is heated till it boils, it changes into steam, that is gas. And if the water is cooled in a refrigerator, it changes into ice, that is solid. In this case, the molecules of water remain the same, but the space between the molecule changes. This change can be reversed by reversing the conditions. Like if we cool water vapor, it turns into water, and if we heat the ice, it becomes water again. This kind of reversible change is called physical change. But what will happen if we burn a piece of paper and it changes into the ash? Is it possible to turn this ash into paper again? No, it is impossible. So, there are some changes which are permanent and cannot be reversed. Such change which cannot be reversed is called chemical change. So we know when matter changes its state, the molecules of matter remain the same. Only the space between the molecule changes. Now the question is, why are some changes reversible, that is physical changes, and some are irreversible, that is chemical changes? This is because the molecules are made up of something else. We know matter is made up by molecules and molecules are made up by atoms. There are some substances which are made up of molecules having the same kind of atoms, while some other substances whose molecules have different kind of atoms. It means if molecules break in the form of atoms, they will not be the same anymore. For example, in the water, there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. And hydrogen and oxygen are some names of atoms. When water changes into vapor or ice, the composition of molecule of water remains the same. That is, one molecule of water will continue to have two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Just the space between the molecule changes, and hence this change can be reversed back. That is, it's a physical change. But if we break the molecule of a substance, like the example of paper turning it to ash, it is not the same substance anymore. So in a chemical change, the molecules break into atoms and atoms rearrange themselves to form new molecules, and hence this change is irreversible. This is all for today. Bye bye children.